Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a highlighter review. Oh my god, I don't know my voice there. So today I'm going to be doing a highlighter review. I'm going to be using these two guys. So we got the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is Molten Gold, and then we got the Master Chrome highlighter and in the color Molten Rose Gold. So honestly, I have seen the Molten Gold all around YouTube, Instagram, everywhere, and that's definitely a banger for everybody. Let me put my phone silent. Alright, so the Molten Gold is definitely a banger for just about everybody. I can honestly say I do use it a lot. I do, I'm not gonna lie. So I do use that one a lot. The Rose Gold one, I actually haven't had a chance to actually use it on my face. I have swatched it. I don't know if you can really see anything. But yeah, I have swatched it, but I have not used it on my face. So today we're going to put these puppies to the test. Alright, so before we get started, I need you to subscribe. Go ahead. Get your subscribe on. Thanks. Alright, so now let's jump right into the video. So before I start, am I not giving like summertime realness? We got the orange backdrop, bright makeup. I don't know, I'm just kind of missing summertime since it is the winter and it is like 20-30 degrees here. And I'm not too fond of that. Alright, so first we're going to go in with the ever so loved Molten Gold. And I'm going to put it on this side of my face. I know sometimes it switches. This will be my left side right now. But then once the video airs, or once I upload it to YouTube, this will probably be my right side. But you guys get my point. I'm going to put it on this side of my face. Alright, so everybody just about says this is like so blinding. So hopefully the sister of this one is blinding. Sorry. So I'm going to take a Morphe 510 brush. And I'm just going to do this side of my face. So yeah, of course this is why this one is like ever so loved. It is ridiculously blinding and it's only $10. I mean, not saying that the other one isn't $10, but it's ever so blinding. A nice color that I know a lot of people could use. And you know, if it works for us deeper skins, that's the real test right there. That's definitely the real test. Because you know, they don't always make stuff for deeper skins. Not going to throw out any names there, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Alright. I don't know what more I want from this highlight, but I gotta feel like I'm going to put too much on it in a minute. Alright, so I do really, looks really nice. It's super duper shiny. I love it. So like I said before, I have used that one before. It's no surprise there that I absolutely do love that one. I have done my pan in there a bunch of times before. It's nothing new. I'm gonna be honest, I absolutely love it. So let's try out the sister because that's where the real test is. So I actually haven't saw anyone do this yet on YouTube, and it's kind of weird, and I don't know why. Like, everyone loves the Molten Gold, but for some reason you never hear anyone mention the Rose Gold, the Molten Rose Gold. If you have saw somebody mention it, if you have seen someone mention it, please leave their name down in the description box so I can check out their video, because I haven't seen anyone honestly put them like side by side or anyone rave about the Molten Rose Gold one. But let's go to test it out right now. So the Molten Rose Gold one honestly looks like a pink to me instead of rose gold. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. So it just looks honestly pink. Like, you really can't see it. But it just looks pink to me, which honestly is not really that exciting because I want rose gold. Like, I wish this was like a little bit darker. Like, not really too fond of it. But we're going to give it a test anyway because that's what we're here for. Alright, just so I won't have any of the excess left from the regular Molten Gold one, I'm going to take a new brush, and this is an M501 brush, which is very similar to the 510 brush. So I'm going to take this and apply the Molten Rose Gold one to the right side of my face, which I already explained this to you guys. You know, when the hair is going to be this side, blah, 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 blah. You get what I'm saying. So I'm going to do it on this side of my face. Alright, so it looks like the Molten Rose Gold one. So it's really pretty. It is really blinded. Now with it though, it is like it has like pearl reflex in it. So it makes it look kind of white on my face, which, you know, I really can't get down with that. Like, I can't get jiggy with that. What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? I don't know. So, honestly, I don't know if I'll really use the rose gold one. So it doesn't look pink anymore, honestly. It just looks, maybe it looks a little pink with like pearls. Which I would much prefer the Molten Gold side, being as though it looks a little more, you know, golden. Alright, so all in all, both of them are really pretty. I just noticed I also didn't swatch the Molten Gold for you guys, which I'm going to do right now so you can see the comparison side by side of them. Alright guys, here you go. So even on my hand you can tell that one looks a little, come on camera, one looks a little bit golden and the other one looks a little bit pearl, like yeah, I just think the rose gold one isn't really a rose gold. No, that one has more of like a pearl in it instead of like gold. I don't know. But your girl just can't get down with it. No, I can't. I can't. So that is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe. But I already know at this point, you're already subscribed because I told you to do it at the beginning of the video. Make sure you're subscribed, like, and comment down below. Let me know if you guys tried any of the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighters. I would love to know, and what your thought was on the Molten Rose Gold one or the Molten Gold one. And I look forward to speaking with you guys. Just know, don't forget to hit me up on all my other social medias, which I will have them down below. Ta-da! And until next time, bye now.